Alright class, now we are going to continue measures of dispersion and skewness. Okay, look at for variance. Variance is the average of the square deviations from the mean. Okay, it is the sum of the square deviations of the data around the mean divided by n minus 1. Okay, to calculate the variance, sama juga, okay, we have two methods. First for ungrouped data and then second one, group data. Okay, to calculate the variance, the more practical formula, you have to use this second one ni. Okay, yang kat bawah ni. This is the more practical. Okay, jangan guna yang atas. Atas ni pun sama juga formula variance. But this is the more practical lah. Okay, guna yang bawah ni. Okay. So, tengok pada step dia. Okay. How to calculate the variance. Okay, first step, you have to find the total X. What is X? X is the data values yang ni. Contohnya macam ni lah. This is the data values. So this is X. Okay, we call it as the data values there. Okay, and then second step, square each value of X and then find the total X square. Okay, find the total X square. And then the third step, find N. N is the number of observation. And then step 4, substitute all the values into the formula. Okay, look at example 12. Okay, 7 salesmen sold of the following numbers of cars in 1 week. Okay, so this is the data values there. Okay, how to calculate? First step, you have to sum up of all the values of X. Okay, kalau dalam table tu awak isi kan. Okay, for X, for data values X dia 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. So total X dia awak calculate, awak akan dapat 49. Okay, dalam kotak tu. Okay, dalam kotak tu macam ni lah. Okay, saya dah bagikan. Okay, dalam kotak tu 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. So total X is 49. Okay, and then second step, you have to square for each value of X. Okay, square for each value of X. That means you have to find the total X square. Okay, so first step, so you have to square for each value of X. So this is value of X kan. Okay, 5. And then kalau 5 square, that means 25. Okay, square value for each value of X. Okay, 10 square, it is 100. 8 square, 64. 6 square, 36. 36, 64, 36. So total X square is, okay, awak calculate, awak akan dapat 361. Okay, ni faham nah? This is second step. First step, you have to total up the sum value of X. Okay, dapat 49. And then second step, you have to square for each value of X. Okay, 5 square dapat 25, 10 square 100 semua. And then barulah total up, awak akan dapat 361. Okay, so and then barulah awak substitute into formula. Okay, N dia berapa N? N dia, okay, third step tu find N. Okay, find N, nampak tak? Find N, that means N tu adalah number of observation, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, awak kira yang ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so N dia 7 and then barulah boleh substitute into formula. So, to calculate variance, okay, nak calculate variance, simbol dia S square. S square ni adalah simbol for variance. Okay, so equal total X square minus total X square kan dia divided by N over N minus 1. This is formula dia. Okay, formula diberi. Okay, dalam test dan exam formula diberi. So awak kena careful lah. Okay, guna formula ni, bukan formula yang lagi satu tu. Okay, yang the second one tu. Alright, so total X square apa dia? Yang ni awak dah cari dah, 361. Substitute saja. 361 minus total X. Total X is 49. And then awak kena squarekan dia. Okay, kuasakan dia. Divided by n. N is 7. Over n minus 1. Okay, we know that n is 7. So 7 minus 1 you get 6. Okay, ni faham dah? Yang ni 49 square. Okay, bukannya 49 over 7 square. This is wrong. Ramai yang silap bahagian ni. Actually 49 only yang awak kena squarekan dia. Okay, bukannya 7. Tak termasuk 7 ni. Okay, ramai yang silap. Ramai yang buat cara macam ni. Okay, bila awak calculate cara macam ni, so jawapan awak salah lah. Okay, ingat total x and then squarekan dia. Okay, without n, without the number of observation tu. Okay, and then barulah awak calculate. Calculate one by one first. 49 square dulu. Okay, bila dah 49 square, awak akan dapat, awak calculate lah. And then awak divide 7, awak akan dapat 343. Okay, first awak calculate 49 square and then divide 7. Awak akan dapat 343. So, 361 minus 343 ni lah. And then barulah divide 6 yang kat bawah dia. Okay, ni faham dah? So, awak calculate, awak akan dapat, the answer is 3. Okay, 361 minus 343 divide 6. Awak akan dapat 3. This is the answer. Okay, ni faham dah? So, how to interpret? Macam mana nak interpret? The variance. Okay, the variance, okay, it is about salesman, right? So, the variance of each salesman, okay, from the mean is 3 unit square. Okay, because the answer is 3 and then unit square. Why? Sebab variance dia lah. Okay, sebab kita cari variance sekarang ni. Okay, sebab tu 3 unit square. Okay, the variance of each salesman from the mean is 3 unit square. That's it. Okay, this is how to interpret. Okay, boleh faham dah? So, this is for ungrouped data. Okay, variance for ungrouped data. Okay, boleh faham dah? So, how about for group data? Okay, macam mana kita nak cari variance for group data? So, formula dia, saya explain tentang formula dulu. Okay, formula for ungrouped data yang tadi tu, x square total x minus, total x square minus total x. Awak squarekan dia and then divide n over n minus 1. Okay, this is ungrouped data. For group data, awak hanya tambah f and then f sini. Okay, total fx square minus total fx, squarekan dia and then divide n minus n minus 1. Okay, this is for group data. Okay, kalau ungrouped data without f tadi. Okay, so this is for group data. You faham tak? So, first step. Okay, ni yang kalau tengok pada example 13. Okay, first step to calculate the variance for group data. Nampak tak? Okay, first you have to find the midpoint for each class. And then multiply each x. Okay, multiply each x ni adalah dia punya midpoint lah, by its frequency. And calculate the total fx. Square each value of x. That means you have to square the value of midpoint. And then multiply each value of x square. Multiply each value of midpoint with frequency. And calculate the total fx square. And then number 5, find n. N is the total number of observation lah. Okay, n ni sama dengan total frequency. Okay, and then substitute all the values in the formula. Okay, so first step you have to find the midpoint. Okay, example there. Okay, Dalam example 13. You have to find the midpoint. 2 plus 9 divide 2. Okay, you get 5.5. X ni apa? X ni adalah midpoint, okay. Okay, ni simbol dia. Okay, simbol for midpoint. And then, second class 10 plus 17 divide 2. You get 13.5. Okay, and then so on. Awak carilah yang selebihnya, yang kelas, di ada kelas. Alright. Ini saya ringkaskan saja. Okay, awak cuba calculate juga yang lain. Okay, and then, second step you have to multiply each of midpoint, multiply dengan frekuensi dia. Okay, 5.5 times 2, you get 11. 13.5 times 3, you get 40.5. And then awak, and so on lah. Awak calculate sendiri yang lain punya, yang kelas yang lain. Okay. Lepas dah darab fx, okay. Lepas dah darab frekuensi, darab dengan midpoint, then you have to find the total dia. Total fx. Berapa total fx kat sini? Okay, saya beritahu jawapan dia 649.5. Okay. Dia ada kelas tu, awak try calculate dapat tak 649.5. Okay. And then, third step. Okay, this is first step. Second step. Third step. You have to square for each value of x. That means, dia punya midpoint dia, awak kena square kan. Value of midpoint, awak kena square kan dia. 5.5, awak square kan, awak akan dapat berapa? 30.25. 13.5, awak square kan, awak akan dapat 182.25. Okay, boleh nampak lah. Alright, for x ni. Awak square kan dia. Okay, 5.5, awak square akan dapat 30.25. 13.5, awak square akan dapat 182.25. And so on. Dia ada kelas. Okay, tak perlu cari total. Okay, tak perlu cari total. Just square kan for each value for midpoint. And then, step 4. Lepas awak dah square kan for each value of midpoint, kelas midpoint ni, awak, you have to times the frequency. Okay, 30.25 ni awak dah square kan ni, times dengan frequency. Sebab tu awak akan dapat fx square. X square, this is x square ni, adalah yang ni. Okay, and then f ni apa? F ni adalah frequency. So, x square darab dengan frequency. So, 30.25 times 2, you get 60.50. Okay. And then 182.25 times dengan frequency dia, which is 3. You get 546.75. Okay. And so on lah. Awak cari sendiri. So, and then for fx square, you have to total up. Okay, dah cari kelas yang lain, dia punya fx square dia, then you have to total up kan dia. The answer is 19956.25. Okay, cuba calculate dapat tak jawapan 19956.25. Okay, yang awak kena total up only for fx dengan fx square. Yang lain tak perlu total up. Alright. Yang perlu total up, total fx dengan total fx square. Okay. And then, dah cari value ni, dah cari dia ke semua ni, barulah you can substitute into formula. Okay, substitute into formula. So, kat sini, total fx square. So, total fx square, which is 19956.25. Okay. 19956.25 minus total fx, apa dia? Yang ni. 649.5. 649.5. Square kan dia. Divided by n. What is n? N is the total number of frequency, which is 25. Over n minus 1. We know that n is 25. Okay, n is 25. Minus 1, you get 24. Okay. Boleh faham nah setakat ni? Okay. And then, okay, yang ni pun sama, okay. Bukannya 649.5 over 25 and then awak square kan. No, this is wrong. Okay. Total fx square kan dia and then barulah divide n. Okay. 25 ni tak termasuk perlu square. Tak termasuk. Okay. Asingkan. Okay. Jangan buat macam ni. Ramai yang silap buat macam ni. Careful ni. So, calculate. Okay. 649.5 square divide 25. Awak akan dapat berapa? 16874.01. Okay. Divide dengan 24. You faham tak? And then 19956.25 minus dengan 16874.01 divide 24, you will get the answer is 128.43. This is the answer. Okay, boleh faham tak? Dia punya interpret pun sama. Okay, the variance of each, okay, it is about employee score. So the variance of each employee score from the mean is 128.43. Okay, sama juga macam for ungrouped data juga, sama je interpret dia. The variance of each employee score from the mean is 128.43. That's it. Alright, boleh faham tak? So this is variance lah. Okay, variance for group data. Okay, next standard deviation. Okay, next video.